In today's video, I will teach you how to make a video meme using PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, go to PicMonkey's homepage. Now you can either start from a blank canvas or use one of PicMonkey's meme templates. To start from a blank canvas, select the Edit New Image button in PicMonkey's homepage to open the Canvas preset library. Here, you have different canvas presets for every social media posts and prints. And you can also customize your own canvas size by simply inputting your desired width and height at the upper right corner of the panel. Now, simply click Make It to open the blank canvas in the editor. Now, if you want to use a template, go to the home page and click Edit New Image and select Templates. This will redirect you to PicMonkey's editor with the Templates tab open. Here, you can choose from thousands of free and customizable templates from PicMonkey's template library. To find a specific template, you can simply type in the keyword in the search bar, and when you hit enter, thousands of options related to the keyword will pop up. Now, just choose the right template for your meme. Once you've decided which template to use, you can now customize it. To replace the image with a video, you can simply select the image first, and you can either hit the delete key on your keyboard, or you can simply click on the X button at the upper right corner of the selected image. Now, go to the sidebar and open the Photos and Videos tab. Here, you can either choose from PicMonkey's wide variety of free and premium stock videos, or you can upload your own video. To upload your own video to PicMonkey, simply press the Add Photo or Video button and select the source of your file. Once the file is uploaded, you can see it under the Uploaded tab. Now you can simply click on the video and it will automatically appear on your canvas. Now you can move it around, resize it, rotate it, or crop it. You also have the option to trim the video. To do this, simply click on the video, then go to the sidebar and select Trim Video. This will prompt the Trim Video panel to appear. And here, you can adjust the length of the video. Once you're satisfied, you can simply press the Trim button. Now, to edit the text, simply click on the existing text layer on the canvas, and all the text editing tools will appear at the sidebar. To change the text, simply double-click on the text, and you can now freely type whatever you like on the text layer. And once you're satisfied, you can play the video meme by simply clicking on the play button at the bottom panel of the editor. Now, you can either download a video directly to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on a notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.